What to know about FEMA is $750 hurricane disaster payments. FEMA's $750 payments, part of the Serious Need Assistance Program, is an immediate upfront payment for disaster survivors affected by the hurricanes, tornadoes, or other storms. It helps survivors purchase essential items like clothes, food, and shelter. Controversy to rumors: this is not a loan but is a part of FEMA's border disaster relief efforts. Eligible survivors can receive additional aid for a temporary housing, medical care, and the home repair. The program began in March 2024 and over 1 billion households have already benefited from it.